body drum set is not only good for your kick drum, snare drum, and hi-hat. We've also got two knees to work with. So our left knee is a tom, and our right knee is a crash cymbal. By the way, always sounds great when you hit the kick drum and the crash at the same time. Check this out. Cool? Okay, I want to teach you a really simple fill using the tom and the crash and the whole body drum set. So watch this, and then I'm going to invite you to play along. 1, 2, nice and slow. All right, let's try it on the real drum set. Remember, the hardest part here is doing the kick and the crash at the same time. 1, 2, here we go. Now I'm going to show you what it sounds like on the real drum set, and every second measure, so not after 4 beats, but after 8 beats, I'm going to do the fill. Check it out. 1, 2, here we go. 1,